Aloe vera is a wonderful plant to have in your home. It is easy to grow and care for even if you don't have a green thumb. This succulent plant not only adds a touch of green to your decor, but it is also a powerful natural healer. For centuries, people have used aloe vera to treat various ailments. It is well known for its ability to soothe burns and cuts. But did you know that aloe vera also offers a wide range of other health and beauty benefits? In this guide, we will explore the many benefits of aloe vera and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to grow and care for your own plant. You will also learn how to use aloe vera to improve your health and enhance your natural beauty. Let's get started. Growing your own aloe vera is simple and rewarding. Here is a step-by-step guide to get you started. Choosing the right pot and soil. Aloe vera prefers a wide, shallow pot with drainage holes. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for succulents or cacti planting your aloe vera. Choose a healthy aloe vera pup from a mature plant. Gently remove the pup, ensuring it has its own roots. Plant the pup in the prepared pot, burying the roots just below the soil surface. Finding the perfect spot. Aloe vera thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Choose a location in your home that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. A south or west-facing window is ideal. Now that you have planted your aloe vera, let's explore how to properly care for it. Aloe vera is a low-maintenance plant, but it does require proper care to thrive. Here are some essential care tips. Watering. Aloe vera is a succulent, meaning it stores water in its leaves. Water thoroughly when the soil is completely dry. Avoid overwatering as this can lead to root rot. Sunlight. As mentioned earlier, aloe vera loves sunlight. Ensure it receives adequate sunlight throughout the day. If the leaves start to turn pale, it may be a sign that your plant needs more light. Fertilizing. Fertilize your aloe vera plant once a month during the growing season, spring and summer. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Repotting. Repot your aloe vera every 2 to 3 years or when it has outgrown its pot. Choose a pot that is slightly larger than the previous one. By following these simple care tips, your aloe vera will thrive and provide you with an abundance of gel for years to come. Aloe vera, nature's remedy for health and beauty. Aloe vera is renowned for its numerous health and beauty benefits. Here are some of its most notable advantages. Soothes burns and wounds. Aloe vera gel is a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent. It can help soothe burns, cuts and scrapes, promoting faster healing. Moisturizes skin. Aloe vera is an excellent natural moisturizer for all skin types. It is easily absorbed into the skin, leaving it feeling soft and hydrated. Reduces acne. Aloe vera contains salicylic acid, a natural acne fighter. It can help reduce inflammation and redness associated with acne, promoting clearer skin. Boosts hair growth. Aloe vera can help promote hair growth by nourishing the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. It can also help reduce dandruff and soothe an itchy scalp. Let's explore some simple home remedies using aloe vera. Simple aloe vera home remedies. Soothing sunburn. Apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel to sunburnt skin to soothe the burn and promote healing. Healing minor cuts and burns. Clean the affected area and apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel. Cover with a bandage if necessary. Moisturizing face mask. Mix aloe vera gel with a few drops of honey and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Hair treatment. Apply aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then shampoo and condition as usual. Aloe vera is a truly remarkable plant with a wide range of benefits. By incorporating it into your home and daily routine, you can experience its healing and rejuvenating properties firsthand. So, why wait? Start growing your own aloe vera plant today and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer.